To begin with, comma, this case should never have come to trial, full stop. The state has not produced one iota of medical evidence, comma, that the crime Tom Robinson was charged with ever took place, full stop. It has relied instead, comma, upon the testimony of 2 witnesses, full stop, whose evidence has not only been called into serious question on cross-examination, comma, but has been flatly contradicted by the defendant, full stop. Now there is circumstantial evidence to indicate that Mayella Ewell was beaten savagely, comma, by someone who led almost exclusively with his left, full stop. And Tom Robinson now sits before you, comma, having taken the oath with the only good hand he possesses, comma, his right, full stop. I have nothing but pity in my heart, comma, for the chief witness of the state, full stop. She is the victim of cruel poverty, comma, ignorance, comma. But my pity does not extend so far as to her putting a man's life at stake, full stop. What she has done, comma, in an effort to get rid of her own guilt, comma. Now I say guilt, comma, gentlemen, comma, because it was guilt, comma, that motivated her, full stop. She's committed no crime, comma. She has merely broken a rigid and time-honoured code of our society, full stop. A code so severe that whoever breaks it is hounded from our midst, full stop, is unfit to live with, full stop. She must destroy the evidence of her offence, full stop. But, comma, what was the evidence of her offence, question mark? Tom Robinson, full stop. A human being, full stop. She must put Tom Robinson away from her, comma. Tom Robinson was to her a daily reminder of what she did, full stop. Now what did she do, question mark? She tempted a Negro, comma. She was white, comma, and she tempted a Negro, full stop. She did something that in our society is unthinkable. She kissed a black man, comma, not an old uncle, comma, but a strong, comma, young, comma, Negro man, full stop. No code mattered to her before she took it, comma, but it came crashing down on her afterwards, full stop. The witnesses for the state, comma, with the exception of the state of the county, comma, presented themselves as gentlemen to this court in the cynical confidence that their testimony would not be doubted, full stop. Confident, comma, that you gentlemen would go along with them, comma, on the assumption, comma, the evil assumption, comma, that all Negroes lie, comma, all Negroes are basically immoral beings, comma, all Negro men are not to be trusted around our women, full stop. An assumption that one associates with minds of their calibre, full stop, which is in itself, comma, gentlemen, comma, a lie, full stop. Which I do not need to point out to you, full stop. And so, comma, a quiet, humble, comma, respectable Negro, comma, who has had the unmitigated temerity to feel sorry for a white woman, has had to put his word against 2 white people's, full stop. The defendant is not guilty, full stop. But somebody in this courtroom is, full stop. Now, gentlemen, comma, in this country, comma, our courts are the great levellers, full stop. In our courts, comma, all men are created equal, full stop. I'm no idealist, comma, to believe firmly in the integrity of our courts and of our jury system, comma, that's no ideal to me, comma, that is a living, comma, working reality, full stop. Now I am confident, comma, that you gentlemen will review, comma, without passion, comma, the evidence that you have heard, comma, come to a decision, comma, and restore this man to his family, full stop. In the name of God, comma, do your duty, full stop. In the name of God, comma, believe Tom Robinson, full stop. Go to sleep.